If you have 20 or 40 or 100 Chrome browser, Chrome user, so how to handle this? So you can handle it easily, like I am copying this. All profile is showing to you. So this is the profile, and check all of the profile is showing here. When you refreshed, so here we need to run your server. So go to our here and desktop. We have to run the Chrome user launcher. So launch this. Yes. Now when you refresh, it will work fine. So there is my 44 profile, 44 account and 0 email. That means all email, all user is logged user, the login profile. So I have 44 account in this PC and showing you all account is here. So this is the very simple way or to show you all user in your PC. If you 100 user, so that will be managing very difficult, so you can control it from here. So that's very easy to handle more account, more Chrome user account from here. So you can easily manage your Chrome profile hub. This is the multi account manager. Easily you can search, you can control everything what you need. So best of luck. You can check the log also. Anything issue here is show, any action. Best mode also you can put. Also you can change the looking. Also you can favorite put no email, with email 44, all is 100, and you can change the look also this. So best of